A logic grid word search is a hybrid puzzle. It combines a logic puzzle with a word search. This means you don't just search for words, you also work with clues to understand how different elements are connected. A logic grid puzzle is based on clues that describe relationships. For example, who owns which item or who visited which place. By reading the clues and comparing them, the correct combinations can be figured out step by step. For example, you might have 4 people and 4 pets. The clues help determine which person owns which pet. By combining the clues, only one correct solution remains. In this puzzle, the logic clues are inside the story text and the hidden sentence. The words in the text are used in the puzzle, and together they help reveal the final answer shown in the hidden sentence.
The child caring for the cat moves through the house, choosing the best place to spend time together. They avoid one particular room, instead settling somewhere more suitable. The cat follows along happily, enjoying the attention and the peaceful surroundings.
After all words in the grid are found, the hidden sentence is revealed. This sentence provides a clue for the logic grid puzzle and helps move one step closer to the final solution. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a logic grid word search puzzle. This is the most advanced puzzle type, combining logic clues, word search, and a hidden sentence into one connected puzzle. Start in the main screen and click on AI prompt cards. This is where you generate the content needed for the logic grid word search. In the left panel, select the logic grid prompts. These prompts are designed to generate structured logic puzzles with matching word search content. Choose a prompt card based on your theme or audience. A window appears showing the full instructions that will be sent to ChatGPT. Click Copy plus Open GPT. This copies the full prompt and opens ChatGPT, where we'll generate the puzzle content. In ChatGPT, paste the prompt. This loads all the instructions needed to generate your word search content. The prompt is now ready. Press Enter to start the process. ChatGPT will guide you step by step before generating the final result. ChatGPT generates the full puzzle content. This includes the logic clues, matching structure, clue sentences, and supporting text, all connected to the same puzzle idea. Click the Copy button to copy the full output. We'll now bring this back into the puzzle app. Click the button to open the logic grid word search generator. Or, you can also use the button in the puzzle generator's window. In the generator, paste the result into the text field. This loads the full puzzle structure, including the logic clues, text, and word search content. Check the logic clues, the word search grid, and the hidden sentence. All parts are connected and based on the same puzzle structure. If needed, make adjustments to the content or settings. This allows you to fine-tune the puzzle before exporting. The final result is a set of word search puzzles. Each puzzle contains a hidden clue. Together, these clues form the full logic grid puzzle, which can be solved step by step.